Welcome to the magical world of giant logging machines. You may be surprised by what you see. Watch until the end. The sharp tips have enough power to cut through the thick branches of the tree without any difficulty, thus reducing the risk of the tree breaking due to the growing branches. It may look small, but it has a very strong gravitational pull that can collect all the leaves on the ground. The iron at the end of it smooths the soil and allows it to breathe. It is very powerful. The machine hardly pulls it. That's it for our video. You can subscribe and like the video to support us. See you until the next video.